Hey everyone, this is Brittany. It's about 8 o'clock. And I am going for a little walk down to the lake. It's about a mile walk to the lake. Got a main road here I gotta cross. So, figured I would take a walk in the evening while the sun is going down, when it's cooler. Some wooded area right here. You know, I've been doing pretty well considering everything that's been going on, you know, in the world with the whole virus thing. You know, things were good. My husband was back home from being away. He has a good job making money. And then, he was, you know, everything, so basically everything was good, and everything was, you know, back on track with our lives, you know, and my husband, so June just started off sucky. My husband got picked up for a warrant, which he'll be home in a couple of days. He'll be home next week. It was just some stupid thing, not really important for y'all to know about, but I've been dealing with him being gone since last Monday night when he was picked up on his way home from work. And then, of course, this past week was the anniversary of my cat Helios passing away, my mother-in-law passing away, and then the other day, my aunt and sister, they call her, this is my aunt on my father's side, his oldest sister. She just got back in touch with me last year to tell me that my father had stage 4 cancer. I can't remember off the top of my head which one it was, but I've never really been close to my father, never really had a connection with my father. He was, my mother left him when I was 4, so, and then of course she remarried and had my 2 youngest sisters, and he was basically dad to me. So and he died back before the year before my mom passed away, which my mom passed away in November 2001. I'll talk about her in a minute. So I hadn't seen him since I was 4. Actually, the junior year spring break, 2001 spring break. We went down to Florida and spent the week. And then, of course, when my mom passed away, she came up from Florida to see if me and my one sister, Brandy, wanted to go back with him. I declined. I was almost done with school, so there wasn't no point. Plus, by then, I was already my own legal guardian. And then I did try. Sorry, there's a train. Live by railroad tracks. Let that pass. You see the lake? There's a train. Choo-choo. So, I didn't try to contact him until after my daughters were born. And when I did, I didn't get really any response from him, so I just left it as is. You know, I tried to reach out because I don't want my daughters not knowing their grandparents that are living. So I'm not necessarily like crying upset. And then there's everybody goes, no, 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 no. Go, go, go. Go. Don't you bite me. Go. So, I will probably cross over going back because I did not want that dog to bite me. Anyways, so I wasn't really upset that much. I mean, he was still my father, he was still family, so of course I mourn his loss, but I think that because of the fact that, you know, I didn't grow up with him in my life, it just didn't affect me as other people's deaths affected me. Like my mother-in-law's or my mom's, which my mom passed away when I was 18. I was senior in high school. She died 2 days before Thanksgiving. She had a heart attack, and we didn't know that she had heart disease. So, and I was really close to my mom, so that really, really messed me up. But I know she's still around. Every time I see a red cardinal, I know that's a sign that she's around. Which I actually seen one today. I was in the office working for a few minutes, and one was right there by my window. Jupiter tried to jump up on the window ledge and get him. I was like, you dumb cat, there's a window there. Look at this lake. Y'all, I live by Lake Houston. Seriously, I live a mile down the road. Wait until you see the sunset, man. It's gorgeous already. I can see it from the trees. I like walking down here. I don't get to do it that often. I especially don't do it in the summertime because it's too hot. You know, Houston Lake Patrol is right here. We'll see how bad it's overgrown down here, but there's some planters down here, actually. Okay, y'all, this is gorgeous. Look all. I might have to, once I get down here, I might have to pause to take some pictures. But y'all are going on this little walk with me. Yes, there's a keep outside, but I don't follow it. They don't say nothing to me. I actually go down here, pick up my, driftwood and, my hagstones. Watch this. This is cool. Before the sun is gone. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I'm gonna pause it real quick so that I can get some pictures. Oh, look at this. This is the lake. Lake Houston. There's some duckies over there. And there's the bridge in the distance. The 1960 bridge. I should have brought, oh, look at this driftwood, y'all. I love driftwood. I should have gotten, I should have brought my tote so I could call it driftwood and some rocks falling down here. Okay, but I'm gonna step right here. Yeah, fish head. I'm gonna walk over here. I should take that brick with me. Oh, that is a big one. It's a big hexstone. See, there's a hole in it. I'm gonna have to take that with me. I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes before I walk back. Just enjoy this lake flapping on the shore. This is where I feel most comfortable, is by the water. Look at that right there. I won't stay that too long because I don't want to get eaten up by mosquitoes. Oh look, spider. What did you see? It moved. Where did it go? this piece of brick. Look at this one. Over here, that's where I collect my hagstones. I'm gonna start walking back towards the house. I don't wanna be walking after dark, so. One last look. I'll put that back in my pocket. I feel like I walked through spiderwebs. Down in the pretty Since it's a little bit of a walk, maybe I'll sing a song. Spruce sit there. Okay. See if I can remember the words. This is a song I learned in like 4th grade, I think. I actually know how to sign the chorus, but because I'm walking, I can't really do it because I need both hands. J'attends, ti amo, sacre bleu on your hair. I love you. The sounds are all as different as the lands from which they came. Though our words are all unique, our hearts are still the same. Love in any language, straight from the heart, pulls us all together, never apart. Once we learn to speak it, all the world will hear. Love in any language, fluently spoken here. The rhythm it's our government may keep us worlds apart. There's no misinterpreting the language of the whole, the whole. And I just paced. Hold on, I'll remember the words. Hold on. Let's see. Can't fix it. The farmer's life. Fathers get on misty. Give their daughters hand. Oh, maybe when they realize much there is to share, we'll find too much in common to pretend it isn't fair. Love in any language, straight from the heart, pulls us all together, never apart. And once we learn to speak it, all the world will hear. Love in any language, fluently spoken. Oh, there's no fire over there. Almost tripped. Love in it, straight from the heart, pulls us all together, never apart. And once we learn to speak it, all the world will hear.
Trying to get the sprinklers working.
Gotta walk while it's cool. Hey, I took a different way around. I think it's a dead end though. Crap. That's okay. Just needs a little bit longer walk home. Yeah. Obviously, I can't see and walk at the same time because I have inner distractions. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. He's so pretty. But here's some more. That's the little inlet right there. Can walk. And alright. I forgot that this was a dead end. My bad. That's okay. Slide down my rainbow, slide down my cellar door, and we'll be jolly friends forevermore. Bring out all these things. Sorry, childhood song. What song do I have that I can sing? Alright, back on track. Avoid those dogs. Hopefully they don't cross the grass on me. That little dog was yappy. He kept walking up behind me all the time. I'm afraid he was going to bite me. I go out walking after midnight, out in the moonlight, just like we used to do. We's walking after midnight, searching for you. Something. It's hard to see a weeping willow crying on his pillow. Maybe he's crying for you. And as the stars turn gloomy, night winds whisper to me, lonesome as I can be, I go out walking after midnight, out in the moonlight, just hoping you may be somewhere walking after midnight, searching for me. Let me some Patsy Climb. That's one of the songs I sing when I go to karaoke. Also sing Nancy Sinatra's These Boots Are Made for Walking. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they will do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. One of my newer songs I sing is Terry Gibbs, Somebody's Knocking. Don't you do it! Go home! Somebody's knocking, should I let him in? Oh, it's the devil, would you look at him? I like this walk. It's very clearing in my head. You know, just need to get all this negative stuff going on. And just be where I'm at most peace by the water. I also vended last Saturday in the heat. And I don't do well in the heat. I have a prior heat-related injury from when I was in the Army, and I was just miserable there. And I didn't make anything at all. So I won't be vending again until the fall. Do you like these nature walks? I had that idea from my bestie, Stephen. No matter what he portrays on his YouTube channel, Stephen is a good guy. He's just my bestest friend ever. Like, and it's hard for me to say that because every time I make a friend who I think will be my best friend, who I can do things with, that share my interests and challenges me, they end up moving their way or something comes up. So I guess this is kind of a shout to Stephen right now. He actually made me a tribute video for my father. I'll wait for it to upload, but he made me cry. I saw a little bit of it. He made me cry, and of course he made me laugh because he's like that. He's a big old dork. But what was it? Oh yeah, the way he's portrayed in his videos. You know, he's really not that bad. It's just his YouTube personality. And I appreciate him for being my friend and being so supportive of me last year when I really needed it. And I'm so glad that he's still my friend now. But alright, y'all. Turning back onto my street, and I'm just gonna wrap this up. Hey, if y'all want me to do any like karaoke videos, like me singing, even though I'm not that good. Okay, just leave a comment in the subscription. I do lean towards country, but I can sing a little rock and roll. I love rock and roll. There's another one I can't think of off the top of my head, but yeah. So y'all, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments below and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm home.